Commercial versus non-commercial registered agents. Welcome to our video discussing commercial versus non-commercial registered agents. If you're starting a business or already running one, you may need to appoint a registered agent to receive legal documents on your behalf. According to IBIS World, the registered agent industry in the US generates over $1 billion in revenue each year, so you are not alone if you're in need of a qualified agent. In this video, we will explain the difference between commercial and non-commercial registered agents and which one might be right for you. But before we get started, please like, subscribe, and hit our notification bell so you can stay in the loop about crucial information that can benefit your business. First, let us start with the basics. A registered agent is a person or company that is designated to receive legal documents on behalf of a business entity, such as a corporation or LLC. This includes legal notices, tax forms, and other official correspondence from the government. The registered agent is responsible for receiving these documents and forwarding them to the appropriate parties within the company. Now let us talk about commercial registered agents. Commercial registered agents are companies that offer registered agent services for a fee. These companies specialize in providing registered agent services to businesses and typically have a team of professionals who are knowledgeable about the legal requirements and processes involved. Commercial registered agents often provide additional services, such as compliance monitoring and document management. On the other hand, non-commercial registered agents are individuals or entities that are designated by a business to serve as their registered agents, but do not provide registered agent services for a fee. For example, a business owner may choose to serve as their own registered agent, or they may designate a friend or family member to do so. Many business and legal experts advise their clients to go the commercial route. That's because non-commercial registered agents may not have the same level of expertise as commercial registered agents, and may not offer some crucial services. You see, the main advantage of using a commercial registered agent is that they have the expertise and resources to handle the legal requirements of receiving and forwarding legal documents. This can save business owners time and ensure that all legal notices are properly handled. So, which option is right for you? It depends on your business needs and budget. Ultimately, it is important to weigh the pros and cons of each option and choose the one that makes the most sense for your business. Our organization is proud to provide world-class registered agent services to businesses big and small across the United States. If you would like to learn about the services, please visit legalregistration.com, or you can call our business formation team right now, 877-955-7111. Our organization is standing by to provide world-class commercial registered agent services to you and your business quicker. Also, what do you think about the process of getting a commercial or non-commercial registered agent? Do you see it as being beneficial to hire a commercial agent? Please leave your comment below and let us know what you think. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you can keep up with important business registration information.